Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x8000002 on Apex Legends badware detected. So recently, Apex just rolled out a new update that bans some third-party software. So if you turn on the software that is basically blacklisted, the game will not run. And few of the programs is, as you can see here, DS4 Windows, Rewast, and Auto Hotkey. I believe sometimes with Faceit, it cannot be launched, and with the right Vanguard, right? So what you need to do here is, if you want to fix this error, simply you just need to just close the app. For example, DS4 Windows, just close the app. I know it's frustrating because it's only way on eApp to play with a controller, but you can play Apex Legends with a controller on Steam. Just install game on Steam and it will work for you normally. So just close the apps and then run the game on the app, and you should not be getting any errors. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.